Okay, back a little bit early. So I started tearing this splash panel off, and I was wrong. It's no good. So we're gonna make one. And I thought, well, I'll take you guys along for the ride. So basically, I got my basic shape, and I'm gonna trace this out so I can cut out the new piece of sheet metal. And that should be pretty close there. I'm gonna come along and trace this. And now what I'm gonna do is, I know I need a little bit extra here for this lip. So we'll come along. So it's gotta be, then we know we need a little bit there. There's our piece we got to cut out. Of course, them always get in the way. Oh, we should be able to. Yeah, I made that a little bit narrow, but I can make that bigger. Looks good. Now we need to snip here. We'll have to snip here. There. And we'll come up here. Where both does that gotta go? Well, okay. Okay, so we know we got to do that. Let's cut this out. Okay, there's our piece. Now, it's got these little dimples in there. And about there, about there. Yeah, probably about there to there. And we come up to below our bend. Somewhere in here. somewhere around there. And where do we want these to be? No, we're gonna have to mark them on the other side so I can see. And somewhere around in there. That looks about right. And I'm not trying to get it 100% perfect, but at least get it in the ballpark. Yeah, man. And I think I can see that enough. Let's just double check. It's going to be that way. Okay. Such. Maybe I should have waited till I bent my corners to do this, but we'll see. Brake might smash me. My little dimples down probably will. Never always figure out the order. Okay. Now we'll go over here. Probably do have that a little long, but we can trim that down. See if it smashes my dimples on me. Basically, it's a magnetic brake is what it is. So as soon as I put the magnetic part on, it's going to suck this down. That, and then it'll give it an extra. Might have saved our. Yeah, be nice and thin. It didn't F it up too bad. Okay. And we should be able to put it in like this. Basically, this brake kind of works like a box pan brake because I've got all these different fingers and whatnot. So if I had something sticking up in here that needed to come in, I could borrow these pieces together. It looks pretty close. There we go. Our new splash panel.